In this tutorial, we're going to add a new product to your account. On the home screen of the Tevatower app, tap the Add Product icon. By default, Tevatower Mini is selected, but you can choose any other Tevatower product from the list. Next, select the color of your tower. You may also assign a custom name and location if needed. If you are using an additional grow light, toggle the switch at the bottom of the screen. For now, we'll leave it off. Then tap Create. Now, take your smart socket and plug it into a power outlet. If the indicator light is flashing rapidly or not flashing at all, press and hold the smart socket's power button for about 5 seconds to reset it. Once ready, tap Next. Make sure your phone is connected to the desired Wi-Fi network. Like most IoT devices, the smart socket requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. On step 3, you'll see a Troubleshooting Tips button if you need assistance. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. For iOS users, a pop-up window will appear. Tap Join and wait for the connection to complete. For Android users, after tapping Connect, press the Wi-Fi settings button at the bottom of the screen. Your phone will open the Wi-Fi settings. Find the network that starts with Smart Life and tap to connect. Once connected, return to the Tevatower app and wait for the setup to finish. Important: on Android devices, ensure that your main Wi-Fi network has the Auto Connect option enabled. After connecting to Wi-Fi, we need to prime the pump. Before priming, make sure the water pump extension connector stays out of the water to prevent damage. Remove the filter. Pour water into the reservoir, just enough to cover the pump. Connect the power adapter to the smart socket. On the next screen, tap Prime the pump. Wait for 15 seconds and check if all drippers are flowing properly. If not, press the green Prime the pump button again to repeat the process. Once all drippers are working correctly, confirm and continue. Reattach the filter and fill the reservoir with water up to the max fill line. Next, choose your preferred operating mode. You can change this later in the product settings. For this tutorial, we'll select Manual mode. Before placing the pots into the cradles, use the awl provided. Measure 1.5 to 2 inches down from the top of the pot and mark the spot, ensuring it is at least 1 inch below the soil level. Using clockwise and counterclockwise motions, drill straight through the marked spot to create the irrigation hole. Repeat this step on the opposite side of the pot 180 degrees from the first hole. This allows you to rotate the plant in the future. Insert the dripper into the hole. You may hear a click when it is securely in place. Make sure the irrigation line is not bent at a 90-degree angle. Position the pot as far back in the cradle as possible, with the water line facing the top of the pot, not the sides. All done! You've successfully added your first product. On the home screen, you can tap Last Watered to view details and manually turn watering on or off for your Tevatower Mini. For more details and helpful tips, watch the next video.